Okay, so I got a fireplace, direct vent fireplace, and we're having problems getting oxygen. Flames dying, so we're going on the roof. We're going on the roof. Well, she's a tall one. Where the hell am I supposed to put my freaking... Oh crap, I can't tie to anything. Well, that sucks. There we go on the roof. Thank God it's not snowing. So, I got a fireplace downstairs. Which, heck, it's vented right there. We're out on the river today. So, at least I get some kind of view. Either she ain't venting or she ain't getting oxygen. You got two pipes down there. How do they have this set up? How do they have this set up? Oh, I see. I think the fresh air comes in right there. I absolutely hate fireplaces. Hate them. Let's see, let's get into it and see what we found. Customer said we've had bees' nests before. I got a feeling this is not going to come apart. Oh boy. Well, that's not good. Really, that's not good. Oh boy. It's torn. Shit. Yeah, you can see the fresh air right down there. You guys can't see it on the camera, but the flue doesn't look right down there. Well, let me peek up here. Flue looks like it's offset. Yeah. Well, or it's just torn. hard to tell. Let me peek up in the venting here, see if we got any presents. Oh, clear. Looks like my problem's down there. That's what it looks like. Now hopefully I can get this vent back on. Gingerly put it back on. Oh. There we go. Right back in. So my problem's downstairs. Wait a minute, wait a minute. Yeah, she's in. She's in. At least got a nice view. Alright, I'm gonna have to figure out what I gotta do downstairs. Let me get off this roof here. There's Canada. Canada's over there. Well, that certainly sucked. Getting on the roof wasn't fun. That was a 2-story. And what it looked like, I don't know if you could see that on camera, but there looks like where that single pipe connected to, there was a concentric box. And that concentric box was right above the fireplace. Well, I could see the bottom of it. The bottom of it looked fine, but it looks like, from when I was looking down from the top, something wasn't right. Either the pipe wasn't extended up into the flue, or it came undone, or it was never connected in the first place. Something happened. She says it really hasn't worked right in a few years. So, but definitely, you know, if you left the glass off the fireplace, it would run fine. But you could feel it. It wasn't venting right. It just, you know, in a direct vent fireplace, you just can't leave the glass off and let it run. It's not how it's meant to run. So, but if you left it off, it would stay lit. As soon as you put the glass on, within a minute, it would just die. So that's telling me, hey, we're not getting enough combustion air, or we're not getting the flue gas out. So when I did look up top, it looked like something was torn in that concentric box. I got a camera up above the fireplace sensor. I couldn't really see anything. All I could see was the bottom of the concentric box, and the 3-inch looked like, you know, a chimney liner going into it. That's all I could see. So I think what's got to happen is we got to remove the fireplace sensor, get a small guy up there and try to figure out what's going on up there, even if we can see anything. I don't know. We might have to rip it apart from the outside to fix it. So there's really not too much to this one, but I know it's not getting fresh air. It's just extinguishing the flame. So either it's mixing, it's got to be mixing. There's no other way around it. So I think what it is that flue is not connected to that pipe down in that concentric box, and it's just sucking its own flue gas. But that is it for this one. Got a little adventure on the roof, and that's about it. At least you got to see the river in Canada. So we will see you on the next one. Like and subscribe.